everyone, today we're gonna learn everything about animals. In this video, we are going to cover difference between wild animals, pet animals and farm animals. Also, we are going to learn what are carnivores, omnivores and herbivorous animals. Let's start with wild animals. Wild animals are those who live in jungle. These animals live on their own without taking any help from human. Within the specific natural habitat, they find their all the basic needs such as food, water and shelter. The most common wild animals are wolf, fox, leopard, lion, zebra, tiger, elephant, panda, monkey, kangaroo, and bear. On the other hand, pet animals are those who live with human beings as a family member. They are also known as human best friends. They need human help to survive. Also, pet animals keep their human friends entertained and happy. Mostly, dog, cat, and rabbit are the pet animals that people love to keep. Third category is farm animals. Farm animals are production animals and also called livestock. Farm animals are domesticated animals grown by human beings to produce livestock such as milk, egg, and many other things. Also, they live in an agricultural environment. Dairy cattle, sheep, horse, hen, wild rabbit, goat, bee, pig are the most common farm animals. Most importantly, their eating habits are different from one another. They can be herbivorous, omnivorous, or carnivorous. Let's learn the difference between these three. Herbivorous animals are those whose primary source of food is plant-based, including vegetables. Cow, camel, buffalo, donkey, elephant, giraffe, horse, kangaroo, mouse, panda, rhinoceros, zebra, and many more are the herbivorous animals. Omnivorous animals are those who eat plant-based as well as animal-deprived food. Omnivores means eater of everything. You know one interesting thing, most of the farm animals are omnivores. Yes, most of the farm animals are omnivores. Dog, cat, monkey and pigs are the most common omnivorous animals. Most interestingly, most of the animals are omnivorous. Carnivorous animals are those who only eat other animals. They are hardcore non-vegetarians. Carnivorous means meat eater. Lion, tiger, wolf and leopard are the most common carnivorous animals. Furthermore, in our next video, you will learn about aquatic animals. So stay tuned for our next video. So guys, hope you like this video, and if you find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe our channel Kaalokids. Bye bye. See you. Kaalokids.